It is one of the most efficient things to get more leads and to actually drive more leads towards becoming opportunities. If I were to name one thing that I'm implementing the most frequently in my customers' businesses, if I were to name one thing that had changed things in both of my past businesses and gave me the opportunity to actually sell more than ever, it's email marketing. I have already covered in a separate video, which we can find somewhere here, what are the reasons why your business should actually use email marketing. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about benefits that your existing or upcoming business can have and can draw out of the email marketing. The first one, better conversions of traffic on your existing website. I oftentimes say that most of the traffic on your website is not ready to convert. People are trying to educate themselves, people trying to learn something new, people are just browsing around, looking around for various solutions. They are not ready to convert. But the email marketing can be a great way to drive them towards a conversion. And you can approach this from different angles, but most of the times you can implement pop-ups or small sections in different areas of your website where you can actually encourage people to get on your email list, either by downloading something or just joining your weekly broadcast or bi-weekly newsletter. Newsletters are actually not that hot anymore. People do not tend to get on the newsletter just for the sake of it, but if they will get something out of it, like receive tips on your productivity or learn about photography in XYZ months or do something different, then they will probably or most likely be interested in getting onto your email list. And this can help you drive them down the funnel, and this can help you build the trust and relationship with these people in a remote kind of way, in a safe environment in which they are not feeling threatened by a salesperson that is trying to sell something to them. That's as simple as that.
If you would like to get more valuable information about B2B sales and marketing, join our email broadcast, where we share resources with valuable information, marketing tools and case studies of successful campaigns, proven scenarios for B2B sales, useful tools, and a ton more to help you improve your sales and marketing game and generate more leads.
The second benefit that you can have from email marketing is cross-selling and upselling to your existing customer base. And I cannot stress this enough. If you already have like 50, 100 or 1,000 customers, then the easiest way to get more sales, to drive more revenue to your business, is to actually inform these customers on a regular basis that you have new offers, that you have new packages of services, that you have new products, that you have some sort of a sales, that you have Black Friday sale, that you have Halloween sale, that you have whatever. The easiest way to inform your existing customer base about new products is to actually send them a broadcast, send them an email. And oftentimes I see B2B organizations, even of big sizes with hundreds of customers, not having this channel at all. And I think it's a fatal mistake, because it's the easiest way to get more opportunities to the sales department, and it's the easiest way to actually keep the relationship going with your existing customer base. Before I move to the next one, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you are finding this video interesting. The third benefit of having the email marketing implement is to generate new leads for your business. And you can do this in many different ways, of course, but in this particular case, I'm talking about creating a lead magnet, like a video course, like an ebook, like a cheat sheet, or any other thing that will be relevant to your ideal customer avatar or buyer persona, and distribute this in a smart way, either on your website or with a QR code on your presentations while you are doing speaking gigs. There are dozens of ways in which you can distribute such a lead magnet. And when you do, then you have an automated email sequence that is following up this lead magnet, informing people even more about the content that you are creating, about the value that you are giving, about the transformations that you are able to deliver to their businesses or to businesses that are similar to theirs, and encouraging them to get in touch with you by responding to an email, by booking a meeting through Calendly or any other similar solution, or filling out the contact form on your landing page or an existing website. So that's it. Let me know if this video was anyhow interesting to you. If you have any questions or you have some ideas for new videos, leave them in the comment section down below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.